I got a comment from Kit60 8 hours ago. Taino Inc. I am so glad to find your site and to see a fellow Rican doing what you're doing. Oh man. I do some silk screening, but nowhere near your production. It's funny because I too am doing Los Taino series. Keep trucking. All right. Yeah, that's the way, man. Good to meet you. Kit60 from our heritage, Taino, man. It's good to see a Taino member checking out my channel. Keep supporting the channel, man. I'm loving it, man. Today is a good day. It's a very good day today. I got up in the morning and I saw the snow. Still went outside nice and early to give my little daily walk. Real nice. My legs, I'm feeling it with the snow. You have to be more careful. You don't want to be slipping. But yeah, man, that's beautiful day today, cold out there, but that snow, finally, we get a 1 inch of snow, man. And today I want to talk about the ups and downs of life and how we react and deal or cope with them. That's what we're going to talk about today, especially when you start your own business. You know, you're going to have up and downs, and that's what we're going to do today. And also, I have to prep an order. I have this order that I need to use, the specialty ink Crystallina. And I don't know if you guys have used it. I have used it once only, but I think I did it wrong. I did it on a 110, and then I did my research. I was supposed to do that on a 60 or 40 mesh. That's what we're gonna prep today. And right now, I'm just gonna go and get a little tea and just start the day and let's chill with you, man. Oh, this chai here. Oh man, it's nice double spice chai. It's delicious.
Y bueno, yo estaba ahí con ella en el club y me estaba diciendo unas cosas. Oh, ¿estamos grabando? Ok.
Bebé, te lo mereces. Botaste ese tipo de hombre y luego tú me encontré. Fue como lo soñé. Y baby, tengo mucha fe.
Ooh, it smells so good, this chai tea, man. Let me read a quick comment here from Alex So Sick 863. John, I've been watching you for years. Thank you for supporting the channel, my brother. If you clean the palette every 12 hoodies, you shouldn't need to add more adhesive. A scrub pad and a drill works wonders. Yes, a scrub pad and a drill works wonder. The thing that I do is I don't add adhesive every 12 hoodies. I scrub. I have a little bucket of water with a scrub pad, and every 3 hoodies, scrubbing the lint out and keep it there. So I think I'll add adhesive every 24 hoodies. I think I add it already starts wearing off. The hoodie starts lifting up. But yeah, you have to have a little damp scrub pad and every 3 hoodies. I'm still waiting for someone to invent an adhesive for hoodies that you could do 24 hoodies without even touching it. Oh man, that's $1 million idea right there, man.
Esta noche tú prendías a mi casa, me decía, es temprano todavía, pa' comernos se nos da. Conmigo siempre te la pasas bien, te pidas panty y el sostén. Oye bebé, tú lo sabías y eso lo sé. Los panty que tú dejaste, esa noche quisimos arte, baby, le hice un museo. Contigo bebiendo groserateo. Los panties que tú dejaste, y esa noche yo almoharte, baby, le hice un museo. Contigo bebiendo groserateo. Los panties que tú dejaste, y esa noche yo almoharte, baby, le hice un museo. Contigo bebiendo groserateo. Yeah.
Yes, that Crystalina, if you have not worked with it, get it, try it, it's pretty good. I will not go with a 40. I think the 60 mesh is good enough. 40 mesh, I think I'm gonna deposit too much. It's gonna look too thick, but it came out real nice. Something that's people gonna use, especially for Valentine's Day is coming. That's something they do. I've seen it in a lot of type of shirts, but it's pretty good. It's something you could tell your client that you also have these specialty inks that do that. You charge them a little more. Then it came out real nice. Okay, the ups and downs of life. We all go through them. That's part of life, ups and downs. You know, when you're in the hospital and you flatline, it's a flatline. I mean, that's it, it's over. But when you're alive, beep, 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 it's up and down, and that's what life is. Same thing like with the stock market. With the stock market, it goes up and it goes down. And if you notice with the stock market, when you're doing some trading of anything that you have, when you're looking at your chart, the top of it is the resistance. And the bottom, when it's dropping, there is a support level. That means this is where it's already at. This is where it's established. Same thing with us. We go through the same thing in life. We move up in life. We get stuck for a little while. We go back down. Then the next time we go up, we pass that other resistance and we go higher. And when we go down, the support level is lower. I mean, it's higher than the last one. So you keep moving up. And that's what life is. So whenever you see somebody that's doing great in business, YouTubers, that you see them, oh my God, look how many views, look all these machines, all this equipment he has, oh my God, he is so, no. Yes, he has all that, but he's also going up through his ups and downs, okay? If you look very, very closely, you will see that, like Sylvester Stallone said, it ain't all sunshine and rainbows up in here, okay? So take that in mind with yourself, because when you have ups and downs in your life and you let those downs really hurt you, you are at risk of falling to depression. And I went through that, and I have really, really managed it very, very well. I hit bottom. I was in the bottom, and I got up there, and I saw myself moving slowly, then bounce slowly up, and this was very, very slow process. But as long as you see that your stock is going up, it started at pennies, now it's at dollars, that's life. So when it comes to business, it's the same thing. This here, your shop, when you're starting business, when you're becoming an entrepreneur, this is life. This is another life right here. So now you got to deal with your ups and downs, and you have to be prepared to deal with the ups and downs of the business, because the business is going to have its ups and downs, and you have to manage it yourself. You have to, okay? Because yes, ups and downs of business will make you sick to your stomach at times, and you want to give up. Unfasten the seatbelt and just quit. But you won't do it, and you shouldn't. You know why? Because you become already addicted to taking care of another life, and it brings you life. It gives you energy, and we like it. It's the most beautiful thing that I have worked on. I have worked in a lot of jobs, car salesman, everywhere, but nothing compares to when you are running your own thing. You know, yes, it's easier to go outside, get a 9-to-5 job, get a good pay and risky to get all this, but once you get in this, you're gonna like it. Even though once you do this, there's gonna be roller coasters. It's gonna be up and down, scary. When you start, it looks good. You're going up, ching ching, and you're so excited. Everything looking good. You got your first equipment. You already got your screen. You got your banner. You got your logo. Oh, what a feeling! And then the train gets to the top, whoa, and then we start feeling something else. That how we cope when we're down. Because when we're up, it's all joy. You feel good, you feel motivated, you happy, you get a job, you get a big order, I remember my first 100 t-shirt order. Oh my God, I was so excited. I felt like I hit the lottery. But then it starts going down. And that's how we're gonna survive, if we know how to cope when we are going down, just like we have to do with our own lives. So in the business, when you're going down, you're gonna feel scary, you're gonna have anxiety, you're gonna be worried. It's part of it. Don't stress it. Don't try to say, why am I worried? Why? No, it's part of it. It's another life that you're taking care of. But you have to know how to manage it. And managing it is keep on with the good energy. Keep bringing your energy to the shop. If things are very slow, not working, it's been over a month, I haven't get an order, and now you're gonna start getting another job because you gotta pay the bills. Of course you do. But if you do that, you have to at least come in the shop and do some work in the shop, even if it's learning something, printing something to understand how do I really expose, or learn some Photoshop, how do I separate colors. That energy is giving life to the shop. But if you just start getting another job just because we have to pay our bills, but then you come home, you just chill home, you don't even go to the room, you don't even look at your press or the shop, you're paying the rent of the shop, but now you're getting a little stuck, you gotta get rid of the shop, you gotta get rid of the press. Most of that happens because you stop breathing life to your shop. So yes, we're gonna go through our ups and downs, just the same way he in the business is gonna go up through the ups and downs. And all it takes is for you to stay motivated, keep breathing life to the shop. I guarantee you it's the best thing, because you're going to learn so many other little things. You're going to go up and down, and it's part of it. You have to keep breathing life to your shop. That's all it takes. That's all it takes, because if you're gonna be worried about, I don't want to be worried, I want to be stress-free. No, the way that you do stress-free is you gotta have an outside the workplace a routine. Something, yoga, running, something, go watch some sports, something to de-stress yourself, because it takes a lot of stress. You're gonna never get rid of it. You just got to learn how to manage it. And that's what it is. Even sometimes, even after all the years, and I know how to print really good and I understand everything, even though somebody picks up an order and 2 hours later I get a call from them, I'm already a little stressed. I'm already a little nervous, because I don't get calls back saying, oh, what a great job, John. It was awesome. They look beautiful. No, they won't. They'll say that when they come and order again. But 2 hours after I dropped off the boxes and they got it, the first thing in my mind is, oh man, did I print something wrong? Misspell something? Did I did the wrong sizes of the shirts, or these are not the shirts that they wanted? Oh man, everything goes in your mind, and you have to know how to manage that. You get a little anxiety, you pick up that phone, but that's the joy of having your own business. And it makes you stronger. It makes you stronger when you're dealing with your life ups and downs and the business ups and downs. At the end, you are the one that comes out winning, because you just become stronger. You become more positive person. You understand life much, much better. Well, thank you for chilling and printing with me today. Had a blast, man. So If you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.